name is Varinia Boggino. I'm the contracts manager for West Strategic Latin America, and I am a seed volunteer in Brazil. My chosen seed kit was Connected Wisdom, so we gave 2 workshops here in Rio, and I would like to share my experience with you so you can apply the same ideas or think of new ideas, and I will be happy to know about them in the future. So the first time we did this workshop was in the Rio de Janeiro school for students that were around 10 or 11 years old. There were 32 students, and we had the help of their teacher who stayed in the room. During the 2 hours we developed the workshop. So the workshop was done with an introduction of the subject. We was talking about what living systems are. We used the presentation provided in the seed kit, where you can use pictures, give some examples, make them ask questions or give you the answers. After that, we chose a fairy tale to share with them. So we chose the subject, the principle of the living systems chosen was interdependence. So what we did is we split the story into different parts. There were several animals in the story, so we asked the children to represent one of those characters. So each of the students was one animal, and they were reading their parts as we were indicated to them. The issues we found, and I think this could be avoided by consulting the teacher and making sure that the children know how to read properly, is to choose the best students to do the representation. Some of them may say they know how to read, but in practice they have some issues to read properly, and this makes the reading difficult to understand. Another thing we did after that, we asked them to tell us their experience with living systems in their everyday life. And for that we brought some newspapers, articles from the local newspaper, showing them some examples of the problems when we don't know how to respect the living systems, such as pollution or water pollution and so on. So by showing them real life examples, they were inspired by telling us what they would suggest to improve that, and we could also notice that they understood the subject that was being explained to them. So that was my first experience in Rio de Janeiro.